A small matchstick highlights the significance of a great teacher and a mentor. Let's see how. A student is like a candle for his teacher. No matter how expensive the candle is, it just needs one matchstick to give him the ability to brighten the whole world. Every successful person was once a student who learned his skills from his teacher. None of the achiever in this world has attained a feat without a proper guidance of his teacher. Maybe Sachin Tendulkar ji would not be named as the god of cricket if he had not been trained by Shri Ramakant Achrekar ji. Maybe Usain Bolt would not have been the fastest man in the world if he had not been trained by Mr. Glenn Mills. All of us know the stories of Arjuna and Dronacharya, Rama and Vishwamitra, or Krishna and Sandeepani. Perhaps due to such bondings and relationships, the respect and the special status accorded to the teachers from the ancient times in our society, we got great and invincible personalities like Rama, Krishna and Arjuna. And if all of these candles were not guided by their matchsticks, maybe they are not at that place where they become the pillar of nation building process, which helps to influence the upcoming generation to become more moral, responsible and a productive member of our community. All individuals are born with same kind of intelligence. Hence, there is nothing like dumb or genius. This is the result of the right inputs by a great mentor, which helps an average student to gain greatness. And that's how a teacher makes a person eminent from a common man. For ages, the teacher occupied a unique position in our society and in our hearts. And because of this unique position, we accorded them as the same status we have given to Brahma, the creator of life, and the Vishnu, the preserver of life. And it would not be wrong to say that teachers are the creator of world-class resources personalities, and they are the greatness behind every great mind. They develop a passion for learning in students, so they will never cease to grow. And such an esteemed position is well deserved for that person who spent his entire life to shaping hundreds and thousands of students from the tender age of kindergarten through adolescence, and finally to the stage where they are ready to face the harsh world. And there are two colors in a teacher's life. One is black, which is blackboard, and another one is white, which is white chalk. And with these two colors, a teacher makes their student's life colorful. Their all dedication, patience and determinations has allowed us to pursue our dreams in life. What a teacher writes on the blackboard of their student's life will never be erased. We remember that they were the only one with whom our parents left us crying there, and after a while that same teacher cared for us like their own child. They were the first fear of us and the most closest person to our hearts. They were the only one who took our complaints to our home and the one who shouted all over the city when we finally succeeded. And even sometimes in school, they missed their lunch periods to teach us. A huge contribution is indeed which cannot be described in some words. While parents give birth to the child and support him in the terms of food, shelter and protection, the teacher plays a very prominent role to make the child skilled to face the harsh world through knowledge and teachings. And at last, I would like to share with you some lines by Sant Kabir ji. And here it is. Guru Govind dao khade, kake lagu paun, balehari Guru apno jo Govind deo milai. And here Kabir ji wants to say that teacher is much greater than God. If they both are standing in front of me, I must salute the teachers first because they shows me the path towards the God. I wish a very happy Teachers Day to all of you and thanks for watching.